welcome.
Hey, how you doing, Robert? Nice to meet you.
The mayor of our esteemed town of Vietnam.
That's awesome.
This is Kathy. You spoke with her
Yeah,
on the
talking
phone.
to Kathy, yeah.
This gentleman's Mark.
Yeah.
He's in here to enforce the code. So your vehicle up to code.
Who knows? You know, sometimes with the weight of it, I feel like I need a license plate. Right? So, but yeah.
Might be an oversized truck here. We may have to send you on the truck route.
Right, so the wheels, they're definitely oversized. So these wheels are Kevlar wheels, so they're non-puncture.